Hello everyone and welcome to Tereteknik. Today I'm back with another brand new video, and in this video we will be talking about this beautiful Android head unit we installed in this Volvo xc60 2009 model. It's an older older car. If you have a Volvo xc60, you're pretty familiar with how the original screen looks like, and by just changing it with a bigger 10.25-inch screen, it changes the entire look of your car. Looks beautiful. We have also installed a back camera with this screen, so I will be shortly talking about some of the functions. And this is an Android 10, 64 gigabytes of memory and 4 gigabytes of RAM. It has the Snapdragon processor, and by installing this Android head unit, or any Android head unit to your car, Android head unit to your car, you don't need to worry about losing any of your older or original car functions, such as this car has not many, but some of them, like steering wheel buttons and some here. I'm not really sure about this car, but doesn't matter what car you have, all of your original functions, sensors, buttons, everything will work normally. In some cars you will also have access to access your original menu of the car as well through the Android screen, so that is really great. You can also use iDrive as normal. Basically, it doesn't matter which car you have. So this is an Android head unit, so it has all the basic Android functions, like it has a built-in Wi-Fi, built-in Bluetooth that you can use to call somebody, as well as play music from the phone. You can also go to Play Store right here and download any kind of basically application you want, such as YouTube, Spotify. You have YouTube right there, YouTube, Spotify, Netflix. Navigation wise, you can use any kind of navigation software, whether it's Google Maps as we have it here. You can also use Waze, Sidekick, or any kind of navigation software in particular, basically. And we also provide one navigation software totally free of cost, which is iGo Navigation. This works offline. This doesn't require internet in order to navigate, and it's for all of the Europe. And you can also use radio, depending on where you live. It supports all frequencies. You're in USA, UK, Canada, or in the Europe, it supports all the frequencies. If you're from Norway, we have the DAB Plus for you as well, which we provide free of cost as well. With the screen, you will come with all the cables, connectors, any extra thing that is needed with the screen. So you just only buy screen, you get everything with it. You don't need to pay anything extra or buy anything extra, unless if it's a big kind of a thing, like if your car is missing the aux port, you need the aux activator or something like that. Also the back camera that we have, as soon as I put the car in the reverse gear like so, the back camera comes up, and you have some settings for the back camera as well, like for the light, contrast, and Saturn. And as soon as I put it in the parking, the back camera goes back. You can also play music, watch videos externally through I must lower the volume, we don't want copyright strikes. You can also, it's a really HD quality 1080, and you can watch videos through USB as well. So if you have a USB drive that you can copy and save videos or songs, and this screen comes with 2 external USB ports, so you can always, we have installed 2 of them on the right hand side there. So just stick in the USB, and then you can basically watch any kind of we only have one video, any kind of video, as well as any kind of music here. Other than that, it's a basic Android head unit, like an Android tablet or Android phone. It also has a built-in Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If you have an iPhone, you can connect your phone to CarLink and you get Apple CarPlay function in the screen, so that's free as well. You also have like the mirror Carbit link. You can mirror your phone as well to the screen. Then you have a DSP system in the screen as well. If you have an aftermarket amplifier, you can also use this in order to change the quality of the sound to the aftermarket amplifier. even if you don't have it, if you have everything original sound system, this DSP system will still work. So you can modify all the speakers individually. It has some cars have 5, some cars have 6. Through this you can also go to field and change this in order to, if you want more sound from the back. Also you can go to surround and you can adjust all of them individually. You want more bass from behind, you can have on the rear, and some other functions. It's a whole DSP system, like a amplifier. Then it also has a function front video that can be used to if you want to have a monitoring camera inside the car. You can also connect it with a screen and save all the videos in the screen stereo, or on the USB if you have an external USB. Also, if you want to install a front parking camera, this car doesn't have it, or the customer didn't want it, you can also always connect a front parking camera and connect it with the screen, and you can have both front and back. Then also under the controls, it's all steering wheel controls. So for instance, if you want to change functions of any of the steering wheel buttons, right now this is set to volume up, volume down, and skip buttons, like the channel skip or the next music or previous music. But if I want to change a function, for example, I want to have Google Maps here, you can always choose or change the functions of your original. This one is cruise control, but this is the one that you can change depending on what car you have. Really, you can change functions on these buttons from here. So this is a pretty cool feature as well. Then what we have, file manager. Yeah, you can access files here, download APK files and so on. Radio works normal, doesn't matter where you live. The touch assistant, you can close it, no problem. The guide is all the screens, they come with the installation guide as well as the user manual of the stereo. Then you also have the voice control, like Siri in iPhone and Google Voice in here. Yeah, so these are the basic features, and we have these kind of screens, model compatible screens, retrofit, which is plug and play. You just need to connect in the connectors and just place the screen there. It works everything fine without any cutting or anything else for all the cars. We have doesn't matter if you're Mercedes, Audi, BMW, Toyota, just not Tesla, but other than that, every car, Lamborghini, everything, we have it for all the cars. So if you have any queries about any of the product, do not hesitate to ask me. You can always leave a comment down below and under the video, or you can also contact us through email, through our WhatsApp number. I will provide all in the information in the description below. If you live in Sweden, Stockholm, Sweden, or anywhere near Stockholm, Sweden, we have a physical warehouse in Stockholm, Sweden, Sollentuna. The address can be found on the website. You are very welcome to visit us, it's drop-in. You don't need to book any time. Yes, you do need to book a time if you want to install it, but if you want to have queries, just drop by. We will be very happy to help you out. And that's it for today. And we do one more question that I got asked a lot of time. Yes, we do ship worldwide, doesn't matter where you live. The shipping is free for Sweden and Norway. Other than that, it will be estimated regarding where the customer is located. And we have 1-year warranty on all of our products. We have a return policy of 15 days. If you don't like the product or anything, you can return it in 15 days. If after 15 days you have a problem with the screen, you can still send it back to us. We will fix it for you free of cost and ship it back to you. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next video, and until then, take care and bye bye.